In this video, we will be highlighting interesting facts about Cleveland, Ohio. Here are some famous foods best known in Cleveland. Polish boy, a delicious sandwich made with kielbasa, coleslaw, French fries, and barbecue sauce. Corned beef on rye, a classic sandwich stacked high with corned beef and mustard, often found at places like Slyman's. Paczki, deep-fried, jam-filled Polish pastries, especially popular during the pre-Lent celebration known as Paczki Day. Pizza bagel, doughy rolls coated in cheese and tomato sauce, originally popularized by focaccios. Bertman Stadium mustard, a beloved brown mustard often used on hot dogs and sandwiches, especially at sporting events. As you can see, this video is packed with a lot of information. This video has a list of indoor and outdoor malls. Also the top 5 restaurants to eat at in Cleveland, Ohio, and the history of the city. Please like, subscribe and share this video with friends and family. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Last but not least, please watch this video till the end to retrieve all the information. The background music has been handpicked just for you. Thanks for supporting our community. Please visit www.themalllocator.com when you get a free moment. This is our official website. Talk to you in the next video.